Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? What are
Good.
you up to?
Oh, I just took this self-defense class sponsored by A+ Garage Doors.
Oh, nice. That's sweet. Yeah. Well, did you do your hair? I thought it was blue yesterday. It's purple now.
No, it should be the same, but yeah, thanks for noticing. So you want to practice with me?
Sure. I've never done it before, so I'm going to need a lot of help.
Go ahead and face forward.
Okay.
Pretend that someone is coming up from behind you and you hear their footsteps. What are you going to do?
I don't know.
So you're going to elbow them in the face and then kick them in the, you know.
Okay, got it. So,
yeah.
elbow to the face and kick.
Yeah, you got it.
Well, thanks for teaching me.
You bet.
That's pretty useful.
Yeah.
Are you expecting someone?
Oh yeah, it's the A+ Garage Doors guy. Hi.
Hey Christina, how you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. You said you had a problem with your door?
Yes, it's just right here.
Oh, perfect.
Something wrong with it.
Perfect. I'm just gonna kind of go through and find out what's going on.
Okay.
I'll come find you.
Sounds good. I think that we should practice on the A+ Garage Doors guy.
What? I thought that was supposed to just be for self-defense.
Yeah, but it's more fun this way. Are you in?
I mean, I guess so.
Cool. Let's do it.
Yeah, so I'm really thinking. Oh, what was that for?
Sorry about this.
What? Oh, porque?
That was so much fun.
That was great.
Yeah, self-defense is awesome.
You know what would be really fun? If we went and tried it on Mark.
Let's do it.
Yay!
Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Oh, look at that fish. That's huge.
Woo! Self-defense is the best.
Literally, love
Oh
it.
my gosh. In this episode of The Text, we learned that it's probably a good idea to sign up for short-term disability.
Good thing it's open enrollment season.
Fix it today, the A+way.